there, beauty lovers. I'm so glad you're joining me here at Beautyistic. Today we're taking a closer look at a product that's designed to soothe and heal one of our most delicate features, the lips. La Roche-Posay's Cicaplast Lip Balm B5 promises to provide hydration and repair for dry, cracked lips. If you've been dealing with chapped lips, especially during these colder months, this balm claims to be a go-to solution for deep moisturizing and healing. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This lip balm comes in a convenient tube form and is designed to be fragrance-free, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin or fragrance sensitivities. The main star ingredients here are shea butter and vitamin B5. Shea butter is well known for its deep moisturizing properties, while B5 helps to promote skin repair and healing. The formula is lightweight yet nourishing, which makes it an appealing option for anyone looking to restore the skin's moisture barrier. I've been using this balm for the past few days, and let me tell you, it's been a lifesaver during this dry spell. I've tested it in various real-life scenarios, on days when my lips were feeling especially dry and cracked, as well as during my daily routine to maintain moisture levels. What I really love about this balm is how quickly it absorbs into the lips without feeling greasy. You can apply it in the morning and your lips will stay hydrated throughout the day, even under makeup. It's not too thick, but it provides enough moisture to give you a healthy, plump feeling. There's also a noticeable difference in how my lips feel after just a few uses. Softer and smoother, with less cracking, especially around the edges where the skin tends to get the driest. While I've mostly applied it throughout the day, I've also used it overnight, and I can honestly say I wake up with noticeably more nourished lips. But no product is perfect, right? While I adore the formula, there are a couple of small things to consider. First, while the tube is convenient, it might not be the most hygienic option for some users, especially if you apply it multiple times throughout the day. A lip balm in a stick form might feel a little more hygienic for some. Also, if you prefer a balm with a bit more of a glossy finish, this one has more of a natural matte feel, which I personally enjoy but may not appeal to everyone. Now, let's talk value. At its price point, La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Lip Balm B5 is certainly on the higher end of the spectrum. But when you consider its high-quality ingredients and the fact that it's designed for sensitive skin, it's an investment in healthy lips. If you're someone who struggles with constant dryness or cracked lips, this balm is likely worth every penny. However, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, there are alternatives out there that still offer good hydration, like Aquaphor or Burt's Bees. As for the overall build quality, the tube is sturdy and the balm doesn't melt or separate easily, which is a plus in the winter months. It's also travel-friendly, so no worries about leaks in your bag. I do appreciate how the formula doesn't feel sticky or heavy on the lips either. It's truly a lightweight balm that gets the job done. Now, I've never had to interact with La Roche-Posay's customer support, but based on the brand's reputation, they are known for being responsive and helpful in case of any issues with your product. So that's a good sign. If you're someone who struggles with dry, cracked lips and is looking for a soothing, hydrating balm that works to repair and heal, this product is definitely worth considering. However, if you're on the hunt for something more affordable, there are some good alternatives that may fit better within a tight budget. To wrap it all up, La Roche-Posay's Cicaplast Lip Balm B5 delivers on its promise of hydration and repair. If you're looking for a treatment that's fragrance-free, soothing, and gentle enough for sensitive lips, this is a solid pick. It's perfect for anyone who prioritizes skin health and doesn't mind investing in a quality balm. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried this lip balm, drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.